Yo, what up YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now, and this one right here is coming from one of my main top companies I work with, and it's coming from none other than eXtremerate. Y'all do know I'm a big seller and reviewer for eXtremerate. So anytime they got something new, I always get it, review it, unbox it, and stuff like that. This was sent out to them, to me, to do a review. And you already know, anything I get from them is always my opinion on my installations, everything. They never tell me I have to write a script down. If I want to write a script, it's up to me. They not paying me for this. It's basically just been sent out for me to review it because I do multiple things with multiple products, and this one is for the Nintendo Switch too. So at no further ado, bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So there we go. So this is it right here. So this is from eXtremerate, but this is the company right here. This is part of eXtremerate right there. You can get this on Amazon currently right now for about, I think it's like 10 or 20 bucks, I believe. I'll put the link in the description. Hopefully with YouTube's new product affiliate thing, if it shows up inside the product review thing, then I'll add it in there. Other than that, I'll just put the links inside the description. So let's get this inside here. Nice. Well, I was getting ready to go to the store. It look like I ain't happening right now. It is almost 4 o'clock and it's about to thunderstorm. So I need to get this video done because if we lose power, shoot, I'm cooked. Yeah, it's raining right now. I hear it. Y'all probably hear that thundering, right? Y'all probably can, but that's the good thing about this microphone. But yeah, so let's put this away right there. We got the cord, but we're going to use the cord that I use right here. So it should be this one right here. As you can hear, oh yeah, it's thunderstorm. So let me get this video done, guys, because I need to get some stuff on my chargers and stuff before power gets knocked off. So this is it right here. This is for 4. As you can see, this is an infinity mirror right here. So you just take your Joy-Cons like this. We're going to plug this in really quick down here. Is that even plugged in? You know what? Since we can't do it like that, I can just use this right here, my dock right here. We're going to get this out the way. We don't want you guys to see this because this is from another product. Another product that I had that shouldn't even get no type of recognitions due towards their scumminess. Yo, it's thundering outside. Let me get this thing done. So let me plug this in this way right here. Here we go. I might have to take this out right here. Yeah, let's take that out. Bring that in right here. There we go. Ooh, I like that. Infinity mirror. And ooh, it stuck to my hand. Oh. That's nice. So let's keep the rainbow. I like that. That's nice. Sound like Donkey, right? Alright, so you pop this one on this side, right there. Get your LED light right there. Then you pop this one right here. That's nice. So that's what it looks like that, upside down. I will be keeping this on my table from now on because y'all do know I do have these other Joy-Con thingies that I don't want to show because I'm not trying to sponsor them like that because, you know, whatever. And these right here goes towards the other Joy-Cons. I have some other Joy-Cons coming in the mail with some sponsors that I'm really looking forward to working with some other things. So yeah, just like these right here. You know what? I want to see something real quick. I wonder, would that work? I really don't want to You know what? Would that even work? No, it would not, because there's nothing inside here to actually charge up the original Joy-Cons for it. So yeah, that's not going to even work. So yeah, but you can put this here for like a display. Yeah, I can just put that there and put the other ones on here just for display like that if I wanted to. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this in the link. As you can see right there, the two icons right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna just put these right here, just like that. Just keep that there, right there. So yeah, that looks nice. So I'm gonna put this on the side over there, and yeah, I'm gonna put the links in the description for this. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Let's move this out the way. And I gotta go, guys, because it's thunderstorming outside, and I gotta get all this stuff on the charger and try to get this stuff transported before power gets knocked out, if it gets knocked out. All right, I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.